How to know who restricted you on Messenger. So what you're gonna do is go hit your Messenger application here, right? Now, we are actually on the account that has been restricted. So, for example, this conversation, this account, it's actually also mine. So, what I did was I restricted this account. So what will happen, or how will you know if you've been restricted by someone? So it's really hard to tell if someone restricted you on. So the first sign would be whenever you send a message for that, for example, you spam that person a message, or you've been giving message to that person for like a month now, and there's still no seen here. As you can see, that person is not reading your message or haven't been reading your message, but on social media she's very active, been posting on Facebook, been posting on Instagram, and that's very suspicious, right? Now, to confirm that suspicion, is what you're gonna do is, now if you try to call on that person, it will not ring, it will just try to connect to that person, but it you will never hear that phone ring. So you won't be able to call that person. And basically that is the major cues to know that that person restricted you on Messenger. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.